What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. While I wait for my brother to come out of the house, I'm gonna show you guys or tell you guys what's going on today. Today we're gonna try to pick up a Jeep because I have this Jeep that needs a new trunk lid, a new bumper, tail light, and then that rim up front, it's cracked. So my brother also has a Jeep just like this one, same body style, and he needs a fender for it. So the goal is to buy a parts Jeep. This one has a blown engine, and swap out all the good parts that we need, and then dump that one on the auction and sell it for whatever, you know, highest bidder is gonna take it. So we're gonna go pick up the trailer. We're gonna install a new winch on it because the other one unfortunately got stolen. And if the guy responds, we're gonna go pick up the parts Jeep. We are ready to roll, right? Yeah. Hopefully they do respond, because we would very much like to get my Jeep done and then get his Jeep done so that we can sell them. And the process has started. There's the winch, 13,000 pounds. We're gonna get it installed, well, the back bolts. And then we're gonna go to the store and pick up new ones, longer ones, because the front of the winch is going through this pipe, which is, you know, fairly thick or tall, and these little bolts will not work for it. And the guy actually responded, so we're gonna go pick up the Jeep, and we're gonna, well, I'm gonna try to maybe today start pulling parts off of it. Making progress. We only put 2 bolts on this side because we need longer ones for this side. Hooking it up to make sure everything works. This is what we have going on the inside. We'll have to mount that box somewhere. I mean, it's totally fine, kind of dangling, but it doesn't look the nicest. But we're gonna get some power to it, make sure the winch works, and then we're gonna go pick up 2 more longer bolts, and then off to pick up the Jeep. Got it hooked up. The winch works, but we'll need to cut these zip ties. Got the trailer hooked up, and I think we're just about to head out. You guys don't understand how tired I am.
No one cares.
I don't know why. I'm just so exhausted right now. Got 2 of them. And paid literally $1 after taxes. The cashier goes, ooh, that's super rare. And the parking lot. Getting work done. He is, I'm not. Wah, wah, wah. This was too short. They're 3.5 inch, we need 4 inch. Good thing we're still here. Let's see how successful try number 2 was. These bolts were $1.15, so we paid 15 cents more this time. Hopefully it works. I think it will. I don't see why it wouldn't, but I feel like we're definitely running way behind now. Guys, we made it, and I took a quick power nap, like literally 10-15 minutes. I feel much better, but I'm still fairly tired. But my brother says he saw the Jeep on the side of the road. It's actually very close to where the lot is, but we're gonna go check it out and see how it looks. Somewhat busy street, but it's the Jeep behind this Jeep. I think that looks like this is the one. Excuse the somewhat busy road. So this is the Jeep, but again, guys, this is a parts Jeep. Almost unfortunate because the interior is fairly clean aside from that rip right there. That Jeep right here in front, it's not his Jeep, and so what we'll need to do is basically push the Jeep out on the side of the road and around right here. We're gonna park the trailer right there and then get it all loaded up. But aside from that, tires are good. Haven't opened this, but it doesn't matter. But we need the trunk, the bumper, a fender, some tires. Done deal. Car sitting on the side of the road. We're gonna try to finish up the winch because we couldn't quite get it done. And then we're gonna pull around, hook it up, and pull it up on the trailer. Let's get this party started. Blocking the driveway a little bit. But this is what's gonna happen. I think the key's inside. This is our setup right now. Still on a busy street. Using our jump box for power. There we have it. Winch did great, but one-handed, so that we don't screw up. I didn't take a video, and I apologize, but we're gonna get it strapped down. We're gonna get out of here. We are heading home, which is a short 15-20 minute drive from here. Whew. Doesn't look like we're gonna pull any parts off of these, off of this Jeep today. It doesn't look like. My wife calls me. She's like, "We need a tow. We broke down." Time to save the little ones. We have rescued them. The G-Class went down. Battery went low. This is my daily workout. We safely made it. Little guy's checking out the new car, parts car. But I am pretty much at capacity at my house. I have no idea what we're gonna do or where we're gonna take these cars, because this is a lot. So here's the game plan. We're gonna take the Jeep off. We're gonna move this Volkswagen. I'm gonna take that 750 and I'm gonna drive it to my in-laws, where we're gonna leave the trailer at, and then this Jeep is gonna go in its place. And then if we'll have time today, I'm gonna start replacing parts with the Jeep that's inside the garage. This way we'll have one less car and we won't have a trailer and this big SUV here. That's the game plan. I don't know how it's gonna work out, but yeah. Unstrapped, the ramps are off. I don't know how we're gonna do this. By the way, guys, I didn't tell you. So the guy who we bought it from, we paid 500 bucks for this Jeep. And he took it to a mechanic shop that took a look at the engine. The whole right side, if you're looking at the car, the right side compression is, I mean, like completely toast. One cylinder is like 20, the other one was at 0, and one was at like 40, the other one was 30 something. So compression is absolutely terrible. So this thing will not start. We're not gonna try to get it started. So we are gonna try to push it off the trailer and into my driveway. I don't know how well that's gonna work out, but that's our game plan. Guys, that was successful. That was great. Huh? I mean, it's not as far back as I thought it would be, but that's fine.
It's in the driveway.
It's in the driveway. Got everything right here? Yeah. You can lock it up. All four? Oh, trick me. Never mind then. I don't know what to pull them off of. Yeah, go ahead. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for today. I think all the fun stuff has been recorded. We're just gonna go drop off the trailer and the BMW at my in-laws' house. And tomorrow I'm gonna start swapping parts. But thank you so much for joining. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe and stick around for more.